All right, negative 8i quantity squared. The whole thing is squared. So negative 8i times negative 8i. Okay, well, 8 times negative 8, that's a positive 64. I times I is I squared. So remembering that I squared equals negative 1, that's 64 times negative 1, which is negative 64. That's why when I say if you've got 64i squared that you can mark it out and change the sign, that is why you can do that. It's because you're just multiplying by negative 1, which just changes the sign of the number. Okay, let's do the second one. 6i times negative 6 is negative 36i. 6i times 6i is 36 again, but this time it's I squared. So remember, I squared is negative 1. So I can mark out I squared and change this to a negative. And so my final answer is negative 36i minus 36. And sometimes you are required to put it in the form a plus bi, which just means the real number first and the imaginary number second. And so in that case, you would put negative 36 first and then the negative 36i second. All right, that's it. Hope that was helpful. See you next time.